hello everybody, it's Danny and Wanda back from Pecan Grove. We are in the midst of Tropical Storm Arthur, and our power just went off. We had power the whole time, and it just all of a sudden went off, and it is dark in here. So we have a new Olight here called the Ark Pro that we're going to be giving away, and we're going to do an unboxing on it. This is the new Ark Pro flashlight that Olight sent us to give away, and because I'm in the dark, I'm having to do it this way. I'm using one of my other Olights to show you. Olight sent us this flashlight because it's America's 250th anniversary, and I want to tell them I appreciate them for doing that. That was very thoughtful of them. So I'm going to do an unboxing, and there is a little strip on the back of the box here that you actually, right back here, that you have to tear to open it. We got that off now. Let me get here where I can see how this thing opens. All right. And then we're going to slide it out. I'm going to, it's kind of hard on me with the light here. Okay, I took it out. It has like a sticky paper stuck around. I'm going to take that off. Okay.
It's pretty.
It's actually a rectangular shaped light. I'm guessing that I pull this right here. Oh, that's where the light is on the end, and this is the battery charge on the end there. There it says Ark Pro 250 years. It tells the date 1776 to 2026. Has a nice clip on the back of it to, you could either, you know, like I used to say about my hat, you could stick it in your hat and use it. It could be clipped on your hat. You could use it for like a headlight. You could clip it on anything. Plus, it's magnetized. You could stand it up on something that'll stick. It'll clip to your pocket. It's got a lot of, it's a nice, I like the way they feel because they're not round. It has a laser point and all, but the battery is evidently dead in it from shipping. So we've got to charge it before we can actually use it, I'm guessing. The thing is in the back of the charger is in here, and that's a USB charger. And this charging thing here is magnetic. It will stick to the bottom of it here like that. Then you just plug the USB in to charge it. This right here, you flip this little side up on there. It's got a little side. This is a C port charge port. If you got one like for a cell phone or something, a C port, you can stick it in and charge it there. So it has two different ways of charging it.
Now we have light.
Yeah, we have lights in it. It's a DC system running a...
Turn the kitchen one on.
We have a DC light here in our kitchen also. We need the restroom. We have this in our restroom here. So we can come in and we have light to use the bathroom in here.
Which one of these is C? That's 12. That's 12. There it is. Oh, I just touched something up there. I don't know what I touched. I don't know if I turned something off, turned it on, or what.
No, the lights are still on.
Okay, so evidently I didn't.
Hold on. There we go.
All right.
Okay, this
It should be charging. It's showing red.
See that red? That signifies that it's not charged. So I can lay it there to charge it. Guys, we've got a lot of different Olight things. This is the Olight lantern. We've had this for quite some time. It has a whole bunch of emblems on the top of it, but this thing for like sitting, you know, to have light that's not overbearing or blinding you or something like that. This is the best one we have found so far. It is just, I mean, we leave it in the bedroom 99% of the time. But like working in the kitchen, sitting on a kitchen counter or something like that, so you got some light.
Going to the bathroom.
Going to the bathroom, like toting it with you. You don't have to worry about a fire or something like that, you know, from a flame burning. It's not going to go out. You can flip it around like it's not going to go out on you. You can turn it upside down, turn it all the way around. It's just, and it's very heavy on the bottom. And it has a lot of other features on it. I'm not going to go through all the other features right now. But right now, we're out of power in the middle of Tropical Storm Arthur, and of course you can hear it on the roof. And this is the kind of stuff from Olight that we appreciate. All right.
Must you tear that
But you
up?
have to tear your toys up.
She's playing with a carrot. She's a deep south dog.
Alright guys, we've used a power station now to charge this with, the Ark Pro. This is the 250th anniversary. It's wrote on the back of it here, and I know the phone may not pick that up in the lighting we have here. Maybe like right there. Maybe it will. But some of the features, I'll show you a few of them. This is low. And it goes up. It's pretty bright. I mean, it shines. It's pretty bright looking at the books here. And I mean, it gets like super bright. I mean, it's pretty amazing. It remembers. If you turn it off, it remembers. But now you double click it to get to the super bright. And then there's got a little lever on top of it right here that rotates right here on top. There's this lever here. Now, see the light turns a blue color, like a black light. This is like a black light, a UV light. You see it changes different intensities. If I wanted to do a PowerPoint presentation, I could point to something and it's got that on it where I could, you know, like point if you want to say like that right there is the corner or something of that nature. I mean, it has that also, and that's a little button right here on the side of it right here that controls that. So if you're interested in one of these, in this particular video, tell me in 2 sentences, now don't write a book, but in a couple of sentences, tell me about your favorite 4th of July. And after we read all the comments, we'll make a decision on the Ark Pro as to who we want to be able to give one of them to. So, and once again, I'd like to thank Olight for contacting us. Now, they contacted us. We didn't contact them. They contacted us, told them they wanted to do this 250-year anniversary for our country. And they wanted to create a flashlight, which they did. And they wanted for us to do a giveaway for them. This light is it's waterproof and, you know, shockproof. But if I'm correct, Olight has a store in Las Vegas now that you can go to and you can check out all their lights and stuff like that. So I thought that was pretty interesting now. So I think it's a pretty light to have. It's unusual that it's not round, you know. Try to get it where the light can pick it up a little bit better. I find it quite fascinating. I got the grips on the side of it. It makes it hold on to easier. Got a good clip here. I mean, there's a lot of pluses with this thing, guys. So remember, tell me about your favorite 4th of July in a couple of sentences, and there'll be a link to this down in the description down below if you're interested. Once Wanda and I chooses, in a couple of days, we will mention who the winner is in a particular video. That's why I tell you, you're going to have to watch the videos because we're not going to wait long. We'll give a 24-hour heads up, and if you don't contact us in 24 hours, then we will give it to somebody else. So, thank you guys from Pecan Grove.